So I'd like to show you how to use the equation editor in Microsoft Word. Everybody should have this option, and I am expecting that you have your equations actually edited in the editor and not just typed out when in your typing. So you can see here I have the Millikan's oil drop experiment page that I had printed for you in class the other day. If you want to add an equation, okay, you can go to Insert, okay, Equation, and you will pop up in the toolbar up here the equation tools. So I'm going to just retype this equation that I had up here. I'm going to type in mg equals q, and then if I want to do any kind of fraction, I type a fraction, okay, and I've got my v, and then in the denominator I have a d. All right, that's a really simple case, so I'll do a harder one down here. You can see down here I've got a lot of math happening, a lot of different levels and cubes and etc. So I'm going to duplicate this. So I'm going to insert an equation. I'm going to say, okay, volume of drop is equal to, all right, I need a fraction, 4/3. Whoops. There's a 3 in the denominator, a 4 in the numerator. Okay. If I want a Greek symbol, I can go to this browser and choose pi. Okay. Pi, and then if I want anything with a super or subscript, I can go here to the script and choose this. So now I have r cubed. Okay, and again 4/3, 4/3, and then you put a parenthesis and type your pi, 3.14159. As soon as you close the parentheses and hit spacebar, you'll notice it now has connected those two parentheses together. It'll be a little more obvious when I do it the second time. Right, 17. The time symbol is up here in the top, times 10 raised to the -6. And I always have meters in my equations. If you haven't figured out, units are very important to me. All right, divided by 2, because that was a diameter, so I need a radius. I'm going to close my parentheses, and now when I hit space, now the parentheses are connected together around everything that's in them. This whole term needs to be cubed, so I'm going to select that and then go to my superscript and then cube it. And then I can write my answer equals 2.57 times 10 raised to the -15 power in meters cubed. So again, meters cubed. All right.